But we were just very excited about these and really just wanted to share with you where we were going and what you can expect from us. Hey, good afternoon. Neil Peterson here with LED Lighting Supply, and I have Dave Moore with me, our head of product management. Today we're going to talk about explosion-proof fixtures. We have a whole new line we're releasing that are wattage changeable, color changeable, lots of benefits for you, the customer. But before I started, I wanted to quickly just talk about explosion-proof and where it's used. So mainly you have C1D1 and C1D2 are the two main certifications. And then there's a lot of things under it. But C1D1 is where there are explosive gases and liquids present all the time. That's where you need a C1D1. Where there could be explosive gases and liquids by accident, that's where a C1D2 fits in. And then there are a lot of variations. You got sawdust, you have a lot of other things. But in general, that's the general guideline. You can go to our website at ledlightingsupply.com. We have a whole table that goes through all that on our website under the explosion-proof category. So today we want to talk about our new, which we're just in the middle of releasing. Some of them we have, and every week we'll be releasing more of them as they're coming into stock. Our wattage changing and color changing. What does that mean? That means that a fixture will support the wattage you see in the part number is the highest wattage it can go. And in many cases, so example, if it's 100 watt, it can go down, it can go 100, 80, or 60 watt. If it's a 200 watt, it can go to 200, 150, or 100. And many of them do wattage changeable. We've had a lot of you customers ask for 6500K, right? We get that quite a bit. People want that because of the historic metal halide or T5. So many of our new color changing explosion-proof fixtures will do from 4K, 5K, or 6500K. So again, very, very special. And the main benefit for you, the customer, is that it now allows us to stock more of them. So when you have a big project and you need 100 or 200 fixtures, instead of us having a lower quantity of a lot of different fixtures because of wattage and color, we now can have a lot of one product. So for example, this product we just brought in, which we'll talk about, we have 320 in stock, just to give you an idea of the level of inventory that we're doing to make your life easier. And in turn, your costs will go down slightly too. And then lastly, it just in an environment where, we'll run a lighting plan for you with one of our fixtures, we'll probably set the wattage to the middle wattage for you. Because what that does, if you get it in-house where we tell you you're going to get 50-foot candles, you find out you want 60-foot candles. You can change the wattage on the fixture on the site and take it up to the 200 instead of the 150. Or if it's too much light, you can go down to the 100. So we've got a lot of flexibility. So Dave, what are we going to start with today? Our C1D1?
So we have one C1D1 here, and then we also have the rest are all C1D2. We will be doing, the full line of C1D1 swapped over to wattage and color adjustable, but we're starting here with this model. It's a 200 watt. You can adjust down to 150 and 120. So like Neil said, the flexibility, if you're not getting enough light, we can bump it up to 200, or if it's too much, you can go down to 120.
Yeah, and there's also 100 watt.
Additionally, there's going to be 100 watt of this as well, which will take you down to 80 and 60, and also an 80 watt that will do 60 and 40. So you have the full line there.
But what's special about this fixture, the new design?
So the new design actually gives you easy access into the back. So you pop this cap off, it's a lot of threads, you unscrew it, and you can see right there the connection. There's a little, terminal block. So you can do all your wiring right here without having to take apart the entire explosion-proof fixture. Because as you customers know, it's a lot of bolts to open these things up traditionally. But with this new design, you just do it all in here, and it's really simple. Some of them have a Wago, some of them have the terminal block, so it just depends on the model. And also, you can access the controls to tune them for the wattage and the color just through a knockout. So once you have it up, and hard piped in and everything, if you want to change anything, you can take this knockout off the fixture, change it, and then reinstall it. Make sure that when you're doing any of that kind of work though, there's no, the environment is not going to be producing any of those dangerous explosive chemicals or gases that would normally be present. Right. So that's just one thing to remember with these fixtures, is that whenever you're opening them up, make sure the environment is completely stable.
Now, Dave, so this can also come in high voltage because this is 100-277, correct?
Yeah, so everything here also we could do high voltage in. We may not have stock on it, but usually typically 6 to 8 week lead time. We will be stocking some of these models in high voltage, but we'll have more on that as we progress.
And the mounts on this class of fixture is what, mainly the trunnion and the pendant, right? All built into one.
Yeah, so this one's trunnion pendant, whereas some of the other ones have also a surface mount. You can see these loops here for surface mounting. You also get the yoke, trunnion, and the pendant. So it's kind of a 3-in-1 mount, which is awesome because you don't have to worry about having missing mounts on the job site. You have everything right there attached to the fixture.
Good. Okay, well, why don't we move that the C1D1? So now we're going to talk about our C1D2s. Where, again, they're traditionally used where there can be gas or explosive liquids by accident or most of your outdoor application. So why don't we start with the linears? We've been selling the traditional style linear for a long time, full aluminum. What's changing? So this is a 60-watt C1D2, can go to 40 or 30 watt, can do the 4K, 5K, or 6500.
We'll show a close-up here on the, so if you take a look here, I'm not sure if the camera's getting that, but that's kind of giving you the settings of what you can do with this. So it's going to be 6500K, 5000K, or 4000K, and then 60, 40, 30. And all of that access is behind this this cap here.
And this big cap, again, is where you run your wire in and then you open this up. And this is where you do the wiring. We make it really easy.
Yeah.
Now, so, Dave, another question, it comes in a 4-footer also, right?
Yeah, so 4-foot and 2-foot for this, in different wattage combinations. So I think we're going up to a 150 or 200 watt in that one in 4-foot.
Right.
And the lowest down to a 20 watt.
Now, a lot of our customers may ask, because they probably notice, there are no power cords here. Our current products all have a 28-inch power cord coming out of it.
Right.
That's because of the UL. UL does not allow the units to come pre-wired. ETL, UL does.
Yeah.
And that's why you'll see the difference in our products. So, next one we're going to go to is the other style of the vapor-tight explosion-proof C1D2.
Yep, C1D2, 2-foot here. Neil has. We also have a 4-foot. Again, the wattage changing is on the knockout on the end. I believe this one is a
60 watt,
60, 40, 20, and then 6500, 5, and 4K.
But a lot of our customers like this for the mount. This is more of a traditional unit that you've found that had T5 or metal halide in it, on oil rigs and other places mounted outside.
Yep.
So again, nice price. So this is a direct replacement for a current product we have. The next one, which Dave did touch on, this is our EXPL B2. This, again, 200, 150, 100. We can get 100 watt, 80, 60. And then this one also, Dave, doesn't this one go up to much higher wattages, like 400?
Yeah, so we will have 400 and 500 watt versions of the B series. So for any of those really high mounting heights, those are the fixtures to go with. Same mounts, same grade housing.
The difference is we've added, whereas all our old original fixtures were trunnion pendant, this is now also a surface mount bracket in one. So it's a 3-in-1 in the unit. You don't have to purchase a separate surface mount, ceiling mount bracket anymore.
Exactly, yeah. And then also on the 500 watt fixtures, this is the A series, also a C1D2, and we'll go up to a 400 and 500 for this as well. There is a similar looking D version, which is a C1D1, and that, again, same thing, up to 500 watt on all these new units.
Right, and there's also our EXPL-C C1D1,
yep,
which has been what we've been selling traditional. So that will also convert over the next couple of months. So what you can expect from us is a lot of stock, a lot of professional consultation on what's the right wattage, and or style product for you. But we were just very excited about these and really just wanted to share with you where we were going and what you can expect from us. So go to our website, contact one of our lighting specialists, and we'll make sure we select the right product for you.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Hook you up on the website. Talk to the lighting specialist for the best price available.
Thank you very much.